Good morning, students. In the previous class we have learned about heart, blood of circulatory system. Today we are going to discuss about blood vessels, circulation of blood and heart sound. Okay? Now you see blood vessels. Blood flows throughout the body through a network of fine tubes called the blood vessels. Now you see our body blood. এটা অংগৰ পৰা আনটো অংগলৈ ব্লাড ভেসেলছ দ্বাৰা যায়। ব্লাড ভেসেলছবোৰ হৈছে সৰু সৰু টিউব বা পাইপ যিবোৰে আমাৰ গাত এখন জালৰ লিখিয়া বনাই থয় যাক নেটৱৰ্ক বুলি কয়। Next point you see there are three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins and capillaries. The blood vessels that carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart to different body parts are called arteries. যিবোৰ blood vessels oxygen-rich blood আমাৰ হাৰ্টৰ পৰা বডিৰ বেলেগ বেলেগ পাৰ্টলৈ কেৰি কৰে সেইবোৰক arteries বুলি কয়। Next you see the blood vessels that carry oxygen deficit blood from different parts of the body to the heart are called veins. Now you see যিবোৰ blood vessels oxygen কম থকা বা impure blood carry কৰে body হাৰ্টৰ পৰা মানে বডিৰ পৰা হাৰ্টলৈ সেইবোৰক veins বুলি কয়। Next point you see when arteries reach an organ they branch into very fine tubes called capillaries. যেতিয়া arteriesবোৰে এটা organ পাইগে তেতিয়া হেতি বহুত সৰু সৰু টিউবত ভাগ কৰা হয় হেতক হেবৰক capillaries বুলি কয়। Next তোমালোকক মই পিকচাৰত দেখাই আছো। The capillaries help to carry blood to every cell of the body in order to supply it with oxygen and nutrients. Now you see the capillaries কি কৰে blood বোৰ cellলৈকে লৈ যায় আৰু cellত nutrients আৰু oxygen supply কৰিবলৈ help কৰে। When the blood leaves an organ, capillaries join together to form larger and larger vessels and ultimately form the veins. Now you see যেতিয়া ব্লাডে অৰ্গেনৰ পৰা আঁতৰি যায় লিভ হয় তেতিয়া capillaries একেলগে জয়েন হৈ পেলাই এটা লাৰ্জ ভেসেলত ফৰ্ম হয় যিটো vein বুলি কয়। Okay students, now I am going to show you the picture of arteries, capillaries and veins. You see now here red color edal dekhisa ne red color dangor pipe artery hoy. Next you see etu capillaries. Okay, then you see this one is vein. Okay students, now you see circulation of blood. The movement of blood through the heart and around the body is called circulation. Etia bloodor movement to heartor through di guti body part to le hetuke circulation buli koy. Now you see the circulation of blood in the body takes place in the following manner. First point you see the left side of the heart pumps out oxygen-rich blood throughout the body via the arteries. The heartor left side to ki kore oxygen-rich blood pump kore throughout the body arteries or dwara. The body takes oxygen from the blood and uses it. In turn, it releases carbon dioxide and waste into the blood. The body ki kore body e oxygen bloodor pra oxygen loy aru tar bodli carbon dioxide to and waste products bloodole release kori diye. Next point you see the returning blood enters the right auricle which pours it into the right ventricle. Blood is pumped to the lungs by the right ventricle for removal of carbon dioxide and enrichment with oxygen. এতিয়া সোয়া ঘুৰি যোৱা ব্লাডবোৰ হাৰ্টৰ ৰাইট অৰিকলত হুমাই ৰাইট অৰিকলৰ পৰা ৰাইট ভেন্ট্ৰিকললে লৈ যায়। ৰাইট ভেন্ট্ৰিকল পৰা আকৌ ব্লাডবোৰ পালমনাৰী আৰ্টাৰী দি লাংজলে যায়। তাৰ পিছত লাংজত কাৰ্বন ডাইঅক্সাইডটো ব্লাডৰ পৰা লাংজলৈ গুচি যায় আৰু ব্লাডলে লাংজৰ পৰা অক্সিজেন আহি যায় okay
Next point you see the oxygen rich blood now enters the heart left auricle through the left auricle and the process
left
continues.
যায় left ventricle পৰা আকৌ oxygen rich blood গুটেই গালে pump কৰি দিয়ে আৰু process টো continue কৰে next okay students now we are coming to the last point that is heart sounds you see the heart relaxes and contracts while pumping blood to pump korte heart khone ebar ki koy mel khai jay aru relaxes mane mel khai joa and contracts mane jap khai jay this relaxation and contraction of the heart is known as heartbeat aru a relaxation or contraction or heart or contraction or relaxation to heartbeat buli koa hoy we can feel eta kotha monot rakhiba one relaxation and one contraction duta log lagi hai eta heartbeat hoy next you see we can feel our heartbeat by placing our hand on the left side of our chest ami chest or left side ot ami hat khon dile ami heartbeat to feel koru the heartbeat of an adult human being at rest is between 65 to 75 per minute aru adult human being or heartbeat to 65 per 75 per minute hoy it increases when a person is doing some physical activity heartbeat to ketia barhe jetia kisman man jetia ami mane physically jetia kaam koru hard labor koru tetia amar heartbeat to increase hoy jay we can listen to our heartbeats clearly with the help of an instrument called a stethoscope তোমালোকে দেখিছা আৰু stethoscope দি আমি heartbeator sound to বেছি clearly শুনি পাও okay students thank you